Hey everyone, welcome to a quick video where I'm going to walk through why the derivative of the natural log of x, or the natural log of u, is 1 over u times du dx if there's a chain rule issue or anything like that involved. So first of all, if we have y equals natural log of x, let's remember this also means that e to the y is the same as x. So sometimes writing the inverse function and then differentiating with respect to x is the way to go. So here we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the derivative of each side. Now e to the y, the derivative of e is just e itself. But since it's dy dx, or since we're differentiating with respect to x, we need to throw our dy dx in there. And then we get 1 on the other side. So dy dx equals 1 over e to the y. Oh, well, 1 over e to the y is the same as 1 over x, because that's what we defined it as in the beginning. And so now it's really easy to see why the derivative of the natural log of x is 1 over x. Now, if you have a chain rule problem, don't forget that you'll need to consider, if you let e to the y equal u and you're differentiating with respect to x, remember, your result would look like this: e to the y dy dx times 1 du dx, because remember that's something other than the letter x. So dy dx is 1 over e to the y du dx. Well, if e to the y is whatever function of u, you put it back, du dx. That's just your chain rule, right? So this is probably a better way to see it, okay? But if you just have x, it's a nice easy 1 over x. So I hope this has been a nice easy video proof of why the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x.